to my channel, and today let's take a look at the Quickstories by GoPro. So I'm actually going to record a few short clips, maybe 20 seconds each, and take a ride on with my motorbike through the city, see some different places, and actually try to combine it all together at the end and see how the end result it is. Is it really so easy to make a quick story through the GoPro app and have a shareable and watchable content, or is it more of a gimmick? And let us just see how the end result is. Alright, the video should be finished by now. I think I have enough clips. Let's get back home and put it all back together and see how it turns out into 1 minute or 40-second clip for Instagram or Facebook or whatever. See you guys there. Alright, so it copied all the files, and I'm gonna do it rather manually because when I did it automatically it supposedly didn't work. So we go from here, we go to the tab GoPro Recent. Let me adjust the focus for you guys so you actually can see something. Okay. Alright, and we're gonna add it exactly in the way it was recorded, I guess, and see what GoPro can actually do with it, with all those files, and put them into a movie. And also I'm going to add maybe something that I recorded myself from a drone. Okay, so let's put it back. But yeah, it's a really great help actually for everyone actually who doesn't want to spend much time editing videos. It's very good actually for those people who just wanna capture and share it with their friends, family, and so on and so forth. Okay, a title. Let's say my... Okay, it's a little lag. My day. Okay, continue. Alright, so we have our video. It lasts somewhere around 3 minutes. I guess it shouldn't be that long. So to summarize it all, I think that the GoPro app is a really nice application. However, it's not ready yet. I honestly think that it's still a little bit laggy. It can give you a choppy video, or it can, like in my case, but you guys didn't see it, it gave me some kind of a black screen, and as soon as I rendered, yeah, it eventually happened to work. But I think that it's a pretty nice addition for everyone who doesn't want to spend too much time editing. And I think as soon as the GoPro gets rid of all the problems and issues that are connected right now with this application, and is gonna finally deliver the video, normally working video, it's gonna be awesome thing for you guys. I had a really wonderful day, and I recorded something around 30 clips of video, and I just was able to share it with a little bit of tweaking here and there. I had to actually cut something out, maybe make something shorter, but overall I didn't spend much time editing this video, and I think that everyone could do it. It's very easy, intuitive, and yeah, I recommend it. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you like, and yeah, come back for more, and let me know what you think about it in the comments. See you guys.